In this video, we will show you how to upload a Unity game to itch.io. If you guys want to get started with itch.io, you can use the links down in the description. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. Then click on register in the top right corner to create a new account if you don't have one. Here, you'll need to enter a username. Next, enter a password and retype it to confirm. After that, enter your email address. Then check the boxes that apply to your interests, such as playing or downloading games or distributing content on itch.io. Now check the box to confirm you're not a robot. After that, accept the terms and conditions and click on Create Account. Once your account is set up, click on Create New Project. Here, start by entering the title of your Unity game. Then enter the project URL, which will be the link to your game on itch.io. Next, add a short description or tagline that summarizes your game. Now select the classification specifying what you're uploading, like a game, tool, etc. Then choose the kind of project such as downloadable or HTML. Next, select the release status of your game, whether it's in development, early access, or fully released. After that, enter the pricing details. You can also check the box to suggest an alternate default price if you wish. Now it's time to upload your Unity game files. Click on Upload Files and select the necessary files from your computer. Then enter additional details about your game in the description box to provide more information to potential players. Next, select the genre that best fits your game and add relevant tags to help with discoverability. If you have links to app stores like Steam, the Apple App Store, Google Play, or Amazon App Store, you can include them as well. Finally, review all the information you've entered. Once everything is set, finish the process of uploading your Unity game to itch.io. So that's how to upload Unity game to itch.io. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with itch.io. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.